Come on, Callie. Come on. Wanna go outside? Come on. Come on. She wants to go outside. Come on, Callie. Let's go outside. What are you doing? And Gigi. And his buddy. Callie don't care about none of these guys. She's a good girl. Where's everybody? There's Kitty. Look at this vine. Callie, get down. Get down, good girl. She's a good girl, Callie. She actually don't really care about anybody else. She's just fine. There's a hot one. Okay, let's go in the house, Callie. Come on. Wanna go? Come on. Hey, Chrissy. Come on, Callie. Come on. Oops. Come on. Come on, Callie. Come on, Callie. Come on, baby. Come on. Okay. See, she did fine with everybody. We're doing good. That's our dogs for today.